Hello and welcome back to Omnible Creative Labs. This is a quick review of the V-mount DTAP power distributor from Shape. I had never heard of Shape as a company or manufacturer before searching for this solution, but they seem to be a rather accomplished company in Canada and they have an interesting catalog. My search began for a power solution for my camera rig when my previous V-mount died. It lasted several years, but during that time I found myself wishing I had a power solution with only one kind of connector. The most common connector among components is the DTAP connector, which you will find on most V-mount or A-mount batteries. I liked the Shape V-mount plate right away due to how compact and simple it is. It is a V-mount plate and 4 DTAP connectors. I was surprised to see that it only has one tightening lever, and I have to say, one is perfect. I don't need two. One lever holds the unit on the rails just fine, and this makes it easier to move around when you need to and you might only have one hand to do so. I do wish the DTAP connectors were facing the other way. I opened up the back plate to see if it's possible, and it totally is. You just need to extend the wires a tiny bit. This is a solid unit, and with so few moving parts, it's going to last a long time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and please think about subscribing. Later.